Can the Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise Plan provide lifelong financial security for your loved ones? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a non-linked, non-participating, pure risk individual life insurance product. Some of the key features of the policy are: get the flexibility to choose from 4 unique death benefit options, and the whole of life coverage is available in this policy, and the acceleration of 50% of your base sum assured on diagnosis of terminal illness is available, and there is inbuilt waiver of premium on terminal illness, and there is flexibility to cover your spouse under joint life option, and you have the option to receive death benefits as lump sum or in installments, and you get 15% lower premium for female lives, and the choice to transfer legacy sum assured to your child with the family plan option is available, and there is also instant payout on claim intimation. So these are some key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit, payer accelerator benefit, and maturity benefit, but all these benefits differs based on the option you have chosen. So if you want to know more about it in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now let's move on to understanding the advantages of investing in this policy. With the life stage option, policyholders can increase their coverage upon experiencing significant life events. The top-up SA option allows policyholders to boost their life coverage by a set percentage each policy anniversary with an additional premium. And upon maturity, policyholders have the option to extend their policy term, and the flexi pay benefit of this policy offers the flexibility to defer premium payments for up to 12 months. And you can even enhance your coverage with comprehensive riders that offer unique health and wellness benefits. At the policy's inception, the life insured has the option with an additional premium to transfer the legacy sum assured to their child. So these are the advantages. The disadvantages are your life promise and joint life promise options do not offer any maturity benefits. Loan option is also not available with this policy, and there is no surrender value for the life promise and joint life promise options under the regular premium payment mode, as the risk premium is zero. The whole life option also provides life coverage beyond your working years, which may be unnecessary. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to calculate the IRR, which is the internal rate of return of this policy. So for calculation purpose, let us consider an example from the policy brochure. So a 30-year-old female selects this policy with a sum assured of 1 crore. So she chooses a 30-year policy term with a 30-year premium payment term and opts for the life promise plus option. The annual premium for her policy is 20,897 rupees. So at the end of the policy term, she receives a maturity benefit of 6.48 lakhs. However, the internal rate of return IRR for this cash flow is zero as per the policy's maturity calculator. Insurance agents often promote the return of premium options, touting them as beneficial. In reality, these options offer little advantage to the policyholder and typically come with higher premiums compared to plans without these features. So we will delve deeper into the next part of the video, where we are going to conduct a comparative analysis, where we are going to compare this IRR with the alternative strategy so we can take an informed decision. Because in personal finance, experts often advise starting your investment journey with a solid foundation of life and health insurance backed by an emergency fund. In this regard, this policy provides life coverage, but its premiums are on the higher side. So let's compare the premium of pure term policy using the same metrics as mentioned in the previous example, because in this alternative strategy, we are going to separately invest in insurance and investment. So for insurance, we have opted for a pure term policy with a sum assured of 1 crore. The annual premium is 9,000 11,800 rupees with both the policy term and premium payment term set at 30 years. So by opting for a pure term policy, you save 11,097 rupees annually, which can then be invested elsewhere. So if you are a higher risk investor, you might gravitate towards equity investments, while those with lower risk tolerance might prefer debt instrument. We have evaluated both options, which is investing in a PPF account for debt and an ELSS fund for equity. So in the PPF account, the final value would be 11.43 lakhs with an IRR of 3.63%. Although this return seems modest, it underscores the fact that the return of premium policies charges higher premiums only to repay them at the end of the term without generating real growth. Conversely, the final pre-tax value in the ELSS fund would be 29.99 lakhs with the post-tax value of 26.81 lakhs. The combined IRR for the ELSS investment and pure term policy is 8.25%. This comparison demonstrates the effective use of savings from opting for a pure term life insurance policy. To achieve your life goals, it is advisable to invest the saved premium separately based on your risk tolerance, allowing you to build the necessary corpus over time. So what is the final verdict on Tata AIA Sampoorna Raksha Promise Plan? Is it worth investing or not? Life insurance plays a vital role in safeguarding your family's future. Just as an investment portfolio is essential, so too is an insurance portfolio. So choosing the right product for your insurance needs is critical. This policy offers life insurance coverage for a fixed term or your entire life with the added feature of returning the premiums if you survive the policy term. However, a whole life cover that extends beyond your working years may be unnecessary and only adds to your premium burden, and it also has a high agent commission. Similarly, while the return of the premium option may seem attractive, it comes with higher premiums. These aspects increase your cost without offering significant value, making this policy less suitable for your insurance portfolio. So what would be a more effective approach? It would be to opt for a pure term life insurance policy and make separate investment to achieve your life goals. It is important to carefully select your products and conduct a thorough analysis before making any investment decision.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.